The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 9 armed forces of Ukraine command posts, 63 artillery units at their firing positions, 173 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 4 missile, artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Seversk and Vodyane, Donetsk People's Republic, as well as near Zaporozhye. Within the counter-battery warfare, 2 Ukrainian Grad multiple launch rocket system batteries have been neutralized by missile attacks near Dvorechne, Kharkov region and Karpovka, Donetsk People's Republic. Fighter aviation of Russian aerospace forces have shot down 2 airplanes of Ukrainian Air Force, 1 MiG-29 near Novogrodovka and 1 Su-24 near Sviridinivka, Donetsk People's Republic. Air defense facilities have destroyed 9 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Chervonoarmeyskaya, Dmitriyenka, Cherivnoye, Kherson region, Pokrovskaya, Poltava, Troitskaya, Lugansk People's Republic, Orlinskaya and Mospino, Donetsk People's Republic. Moreover, 3 projectiles launched by Alha multiple launch rocket system have been shot down in air near Velikaya Novoselka, Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 315 airplanes and 157 helicopters, 2,160 unmanned aerial vehicles, 379 air defense missile systems, 5,412 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 862 combat vehicles equipped with multiple launch rocket system, 3,452 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,316 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.